You may need to copy videos, contacts, music, etc. across. In addition to working out how to transfer photos from Android phone to USB flash drive. Okay, we will teach you the 5 most advisable ways to transfer files from Android to a USB flash drive easily. Method 1. Transfer data from mobile to pen drive by drag and drop. Connect your Android to your computer via USB. Tap Charging via USB and select File Transfer. Open the folder with your photos, videos. Insert your USB drive. Copy files to the USB drive. Method 2. Transfer files from Android to USB flash drive via Assistant for Android. Would you like to do the transfers for various files from Android to a USB stick in just simple clicks? Well, all the tedious work can be simplified using Mobikin Assistant for Android. How to transfer files from Android to flash drive with Mobikin Assistant for Android. Step 1. Run Assistant for Android on a computer. Step 2. Choose what you want to transfer. Step 3. Transfer files from Android to a USB flash drive. Method 3. Transfer files from mobile to pen drive with OTG Adaptor. Connect USB drive with USB-C adapter. Open notification tray. Choose USB drive. Tap Internal Storage to view files. Select Files. Tap 3 dots, then copy, paste a USB drive. Tap Done. Method 4. Transfer Android files to USB stick with Files by Google. Connect USB OTG cable to Android phone. Insert USB storage. Open Files by Google. Tap Browse. Check USB available notification. Select USB drive. Tap Allow. Scroll. Choose Files. Transfer to USB. Method 5. Transfer files from Android phone to USB via AirDroid. Install AirDroid on phone. Grant permissions. Connect devices to the same network. Access AirDroid web. Enter IP in PC browser. Grant permission. Tap Files. Select Upload File or Upload Folder. Insert USB. Right-click File or Folder.